This is Ruth again. Welcome to My Perfect Peace community, where we provide peace and balance in a world of chaos. Have you ever wanted to try one of those green drinks, but you just wasn't quite sure about it? I have the perfect one for you. As a matter of fact, I think I have perfected it over the last couple of years. The wonderful thing about a green drink is that it's really personal for you, but this is what I have developed over the last few years that really works well for me. And so what I do is I start with a cup of just regular orange juice. And you always pour that in first. The next ingredient I use are green grapes. They are great anti-inflammatory. They're great for your skin. They can help in your weight management, and they also can help lower your risk of diabetes. And this is 2 cups of green grapes. Next, I use Bartlett pears. They're a great source of vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants. They can help with your weight loss, great for your heart, and wait for it. I know you want to hear this. They are great for helping with constipation. The next ingredient are bananas. Yes, and don't talk about my bananas. I know this one has seen better days, but it is great, trust me. But bananas are great for potassium. They have lots of fiber in them. They help with your blood pressure, and they are great. I love my bananas. So that's the next thing. All right. Now, here's something else that I started using that makes my green drink really creamy and it's good. And it's a coconut milk yogurt alternative because 75% of African Americans are lactose intolerant. About 75% of Native Americans are lactose intolerant. And about 90% of Asian Americans are lactose intolerant. So give up the milk, use this. That way you don't have to worry about your stomach hurting. Next is spinach. Now you can use about a cup, maybe 2 cups of spinach. I'm just gonna eyeball this because I just like to just kind of dump it in there. So you just kind of put as much as you want. But the great thing about spinach is that it's a superfood. It's filled with all kinds of nutrients, iron, potassium. It is great for our skin because we know we want our skin to look the best. It's great for our hair, for our bone health. So it is a superfood. So you want to use dark leafy spinach like this. Great for you. Now, I'd use frozen mangoes, but you can use frozen pineapples if you want. Now, the thing is, do not use anything red, like red strawberries, red cherries, because the red mixes in with the green and it makes it a brown drink. And you don't want that. Even though it may taste good, it looks horrible. So you don't want to do that. And I learned that the hard way. So you can use frozen mangoes or frozen pineapples. Then the very last thing I put on top, and again, that makes it cold. The very last thing I use is just some ice, and that helps make it cold as well. So just put that on the top, smash it down, and you're ready to go. Now you're ready to blend it up. Let's see. Make sure that you make this drink. And when you do, go in the comment section and comment because I want to know how it turned out. Did you like it? Did you not? What? Did your kids like it? Tell me. I want to know. Great minds want to know. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification button so every time I upload new content, you're the first one to get it. This is a really good drink that is good for you, and it will help bring you into balance from all those hamburgers and chips and all those cookies that we eat all the time. Switch that sometime and have a green drink. And remember, peace is a state of mind. Oh my goodness, this is good.